Aventura, the Spanish word for
adventure.
Amazing. Gracias. And good morning, and welcome to another beautiful day here in Ecuador. You know, a few years ago, I was living a completely different life. I wasn't living at 8,000 feet of elevation, I wasn't flying drones over a rainforest, and I didn't even know what hornado was. Back then, I was a teacher, I had my own TV show, I had a successful YouTube channel, and I was sharing stories in a place that I loved, Chile. So, we took a risk, we let go, and we started from zero again. Hi, I'm John, a gringo, a dad, and a storyteller. And this channel is all about what happens when you leave behind the comfort of home and come to Latin America and have an open mind and explore and enjoy the delicious foods with a family and 3 dogs. This is where cultures collide, where modern culture and ancient traditions come together, where faith lives in gold-covered cathedrals, fireworks light up the sky on New Year's Eve, and the people are everything. And as we head into 2026, I have one big hope, that we not just grow in subscribers, but in connections. Every morning, I spend about an hour replying to all of your messages, and I love that. Let's keep growing together through different foods, cultures, and sometimes just getting plain lost. And I hope this channel makes you feel something, more curious, more connected, more ready to step outside of your comfort zone. If you would have told me just a couple of years ago that I'd be telling stories about a missing brick in a 500-year-old church, or that I'd be on a canoe in the middle of the Amazon rainforest, I think I would have told you you're crazy. But here we are, and this is my life. This is more than travel. This is family, this is story, this is Gringo y Latino, and I'm just getting started. So, if you're new here to the channel, welcome. Welcome to an English channel sharing so many different things about Latin America, where I live here in Ecuador, and just sharing some fun. And if you've been here for a while, thank you so much. Some of you have even seen Moses' birth in Linares, Chile. How cool is that? He's 8 years old now, and you saw him when he was just a baby. 2026 is going to be epic. I cannot wait to share with you all the different adventures I have planned, the different countries I'm going to, and hopefully a trip back to Chile, but definitely lots to share here in Ecuador. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Can't wait for 2026, and ciao, pescado.